Hi guys, welcome to Menace and the Monk. This is Salil here, and today I'll be discussing Liverpool's win over Crystal Palace, which happened. Massive 3 points for the Reds in their bid to win, number 20. So, a quick summary of how the game panned out. I think Liverpool thoroughly deserved the win. We were solid throughout. There were flashes when Crystal Palace had the ball with them, but they didn't make it count. I think Alisson was too good today, and he was quite solid. Whenever needed, he came upon and he performed. Massive goals of Sadio Mane getting his 100th goal for Liverpool. Mo Salah also getting another one, which is great for his confidence. And Naby Keita, what a finish, what a volley. Even the commentator said it was Cantona-esque. So you could see a bit of arrogance in manner of his celebration. But what's important is Liverpool winning, scoring 3 goals, keeping a clean sheet. The only blip in the entire game was maybe the injury to Thiago. We don't know the extent to which Thiago, maybe he's available, maybe he's not. Only time will tell. But if you have to look at the overall game, I think Liverpool thoroughly deserved to win. Crystal Palace had their moments, but I don't think they really performed to the level that they would have wanted. Zaha obviously was going to be a threat to us. I think with Milner playing at right back, it was always going to be a test for him. But he stood out whenever called upon. Milner put in the shift and he performed very well. Konate had a start today and he was pretty decent in his first game at Anfield. He looked assured at times. There were moments where he looked a bit shaky, but I think he made up with some of the errors that he committed. Having said that, for me personally, the man of the match has to be Alisson Becker because of the sheer number of saves that he's done, or he's had to make rather. Overall, a solid 3 points against a difficult opponent. I only hope Thiago comes back sooner because we don't know what exactly has happened. I think there was a collision when it was a 50-50, when they went for a 50-50 ball. So that is an area of concern. But having said that, I think Curtis Jones, when he came on, he played well. He had his part to play. Naby Keita obviously scored a wonderful goal. Diogo Jota could have had a goal, but I think slightly in the last 3 games he's underperformed a bit. He's gone under the radar, is what I feel. But we know that he is a potentate up front. Maybe a few run of games he will get his goal, and he will possibly get back into the mix of scoring for fun. So I think, having said that, 3 points to Liverpool. I think it was a good run-in for a lot of newcomers, especially Konate starting in the lineup. A good run-in for Keita, a good run-in for Curtis Jones. Important goals to Sadio Mane, especially who's received a lot of flack of late from Liverpool supporters for not scoring enough goals in important positions. Overall, I think it's an important win for Liverpool. It keeps us on top and puts pressure right back on the rest of the league, especially City, Chelsea, and Man United. So that's it from Menace and the Monk. This is Salil signing off. You'll never walk alone.